Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to repair black beads chain. I have taken a gold wire and inserted a gold bead into the wire and made a loop and wrapped the wire around the gold bead so that the beads will not move and it will be locked. I used here round nose plier to make a loop and to wrap the wire around the beads. It is a half round plier which is used to wrap the wire around the beads. On the other side, with the help of round nose plier, make a loop and insert that wire from the hook. With the help of half round plier, all the lines of the black beads should be in equal length. Press with the half round plier the wire and make a wrap around the beads so that the beads will be locked and there is no movement of the beads. With the help of half round nose plier, I wrap the wire around the beads I check here is the wire is properly wrapped or not. Now it is okay. The length of all the black beads lines are equal. I remove thread of another beads where I has to do some repair work. Here I add a one black beads. With the help of a half round nose plier, tweezer also used. Taken a black beads from the gold wire. Here I make a loop with the help of round nose plier and insert from the hook of other beads. And to wrap the wire around the beads. I hold the wire with the help of half round nose plier and with the help of tweezer I wrap the wire to fix the black bead. I added another black bead and make a loop with the help of round nose plier. Make a loop with half round plier and pass the wire through the hook of the small locket. Wrap the wire around the beads with a round nose plier. Just 2 or 3 rounds is enough to make the beads place in a proper position. I cut the extra wire and wrap the wire with the help of tweezer. Here is another beads. Make a loop and pass it to the hook of the other beads and wrap that gold wire so that the wire will be locked. Wrap with the help of tweezer and half round nose plier. Make a loop with a round nose plier and pass the wire through the hook of the small piece of locket. I think it is some difficult after to make a loop to pass through the hook. Here I can remove the loop and I can make a loop when I pass this wire through the hook of the small locket piece. Then it is easy to make a loop and wrap the wire between hook and the black beads. Fix the wire properly, make a loop with a round nose plier and wrap the wire around the hook. There is a small adjustment add a beads to the wire and make a loop. Pass the wire through the beads and wrap it. Make a loop with full round nose plier and wrap the wire around the hook. One or two rounds is enough. Cut the extra wire. Wrap the wire with help of tweezer and check no extra wires come out. Wrap the wire properly. With full round nose plier and tweezer. No wire has came out. Place the wire from the hook and wrap the wire 2 or 3 rounds. Cut extra wire. Wrap with the help of a tweezer and full round nose plier. The beads should be in equal length. Place the wire, make a loop with a full round nose plier. And place it from the hook. And wrap the wire with the help of a tweezer. Place a gold bead in the wire. Pass the wire from the black beads loop and make a loop there. And wrap the wire 2 or 3 rounds is enough. Cut the extra wire. Wrap the wire with the help of a tweezer and full round nose plier. And check there is no wire came out. Thank you for watching.